find us again on the All 4 Mississippi Thunder channel. We got another great video coming up for you here at the Rock House Gun and Pawn. So y'all stay tuned. Thank you for tuning back into All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Any previous viewers and subscribers, we surely appreciate y'all. Now, any new viewers or viewers that have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss anything that happens over here on All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Give us a thumbs up because we always appreciate that. Ring that bell for notifications and share this video with your friends, neighbors, and their friends, and whoever you can think to share it with. Today, we've got a great video coming for you from Rock House Gun and Pawn, and that is at 5430 Highway 19 North, Meridian, Mississippi 39307. Phone number is 601-485-5895, and I will put that number in the video several times for you to see that. And they are a fully licensed FFL dealer following all federal, state, and local laws. I'm not selling any firearms in this video, but if you see something that you like, feel free to call the Rock House Gun and Pawn or stop by if you're local. If you call, they'll get you set up to send to your local FFL. But make sure, and also if you anything else you think of that you think they might have that you don't see in the video, go ahead and stop by and give them a call. But tell them that R4 Mississippi Thunder sent you. Okay, I got an awesome video for you today. We're going to be taking a look at the Sig P365XL Spectre Comp. And it's the model P365V003. It is in the micro compact family. It is a 9mm striker fired firearm. Now, I have just a regular Sig macro here for just comparison's sake. But, like I said, we're talking about the Spectre Comp, and it comes with two 12-round magazines. If you're living in a state that can have them, if not, you'll get two 10-round magazines. But luckily here in Mississippi, we can get the max capacity that we need there. Okay, it has a stainless steel, nitron finished, Custom Works Spectra optic ready slide with an integrated compensator and some updated cocking serrations. As you can see, when I talk about the updated cocking serrations versus the the macro style or just the regular Sig style, you have a different grip or a different texture, so you can get a grip there on the front. If you like to press check, you can get it on the front there or get it on the back. So this, like I said, it's the Custom Works Sig custom shop basically, or it is a Sig custom shops. Like I said, slide. It has the 3-dot day-night sights. And the sight radius is 5.1 inches. Now, this includes the stainless steel barrel that is a carbon steel barrel finished with the titanium nitride gold. You can also see the trigger is finished in that titanium nitride gold. It has a stainless steel fire control group, and it has the X series flat trigger finished in that same titanium nitride gold. Has some laser stippling on the frame there. It is the LXG X series grip module. Excuse me, not frame, grip module. This is the grip module of the Sig. Has that laser stippling. And like I said, it's the LXG X series grip module. You have like a Sig rail there on the front. All right, if you're local there, come check out our sponsor, Tate's Fireworks, right behind the four-way stop in Meridian, Mississippi, where the fireworks are guaranteed, the people are nice, and you can also see what your fireworks are going to do before you purchase them. And if you know anything about the Sig P365, it has the fire control group is the main part of the firearm. It's the serialized part. Everything else you can change out, but you have to have that serialized fire control group that has to go through an FFL and that kind of stuff. The overall length of this firearm is 6.6 inches. The width is 1.1 inches. It's 4.8 inches high, and it has a barrel. This barrel now is 3.1 inches, where the regular P365XL has a 3.7 inch barrel, but you're getting that built-in compensator there on the frame, so they shorten the barrel to 3.1 inches. This, like I said, all the dimensions are the same except for the barrel. This will fit the P365XL holsters. Let's see, let me show you just a little comparison. This is a regular Sig macro, just so you can see what you're getting versus the Spectre Comp. Pretty well, same dimensions there. Has a little shorter and less capacity than the macro. The macro has the 17 round capacity, so that's why you have a shortened grip module there. Now, Sig states that the P365XL Spectre Comp brings an exciting new technology to America's #1 selling micro compact pistol. The P365 have gotten very popular, and it has the new custom work design slide that features integrated compensator, reducing muzzle flip up to 30%, they say. And each one of these comes with a challenge coin from Sig Custom Works and a certificate of custom. So you'll get that with your purchase. Let's see how we're feeling here in the hand. Let's just, like I said again, empty. Nothing in there, nothing in the chamber, and there's nothing in the magazine. I'm just going to put the magazine in just to feel and see how it feels with my fingers holding it. You get my hand, medium-sized hand, you get enough pinky on there that I think you can support it with it. It's not going to slide off with that little bit of ridge you have right there. Nice stippling, like I said, laser stippling on the sides there, the back, and the front. Let me show you that without pointing at my camera. Let you see the front there. On the side, you see the Custom Works, Sig Custom Works logo on there. And what else we want to talk about? It's regular Sig controls, you know, mag release is the same place. If you have any knowledge about the Sigs, it has the takedown lever, the hold back lever is on this left side of the firearm. It, you know, you can change out with Sig again. You can change out the grip modules and the fire control groups. Like I said, the fire control groups is the only thing that's serialized and goes to an FFL. Everything else is just components. This built-in compensator, like I said, is supposed to reduce recoil by 30%. Now, I have seen some other reviews that I have watched myself, and they say that compensator does help you get back on target quicker. Let's see, we're gonna take and we're gonna kind of point this way. Again, I just wanna reiterate, unloaded. You can see all the way up through there. Nothing in the chamber. We're gonna show you what the trigger looks like here. So you bring it back, hit that wall. There you go. That's your trigger. Reset. All right, one more time. Hit the wall, trigger it, or pull it on back. 90-degree break, and your reset. All right. Well, this is a nice little pretty thing, and it looks good with that black and gold. Now, I'm a fan of colored firearms, and any kind of color you can put on there, gold, purple, green, pink, whatever. I just like it to be colored, but that's just me. I like to be tactical, you know what I'm saying? Well, here is your tabletop review of the Sig Spectre Comp. Make sure I say it right. The Sig P365XL Spectre Comp. 9mm subcompact pistol. Hope you enjoyed this type video. If you do, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. We always appreciate a like on every video, or anybody watches the video, give us a like, subscribe, give us a comment. We love to hear from you. Come back to see us again on Lawful Mississippi Thunder. Remember, for I have learned to be content in every circumstance. That comes from Philippians 4:11. God bless you, and God bless America.